Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. In this video today we are going to discuss 30 multi-choice questions on CNC technology. So let us start here. These are the questions. So here first question is CNC machines operate based on, these are four options: manual control, hydraulic control, pre-programmed instructions and magnetic control. So answer is pre-programmed instructions. This is the answer. CNC machines operate on the basis of pre-programmed instructions. Okay. Next question is heart of the CNC machine is. There are four options: spindle, MCU, coolant system, tool magazine. So here answer is MCU. What is MCU? Is machine control unit. So machine control unit is the heart of the CNC machine. Okay. So here next question is, third question is G00 is used for rapid traverse, tool change, coolant on, feed cutting. So answer is rapid traverse. G00 is used for rapid movement of the tool, rapid traverse. Okay. So next question is question number 4. G01 represents A. Circular interpolation, B. Linear interpolation, C. Drilling cycle, D. Machine home. So because G01 is used for linear cutting, linear path of the tool, so answer is linear interpolation. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is M03 is used to stop spindle, start spindle clockwise, start spindle counterclockwise, or change tool. So here answer is start spindle clockwise. M03 command is for starting the spindle clockwise only. Okay. So next command is which coordinate system is used in CNC machines? Hexagon, hexagonal, polar, Cartesian or spiral. So here answer is Cartesian coordinate. This is also called rectangular coordinate, just like x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So this is Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system also. So this is the coordinate system we use in CNC machines. Okay. So next question is question number 7. G02 is used for G02 clockwise circular interpolation, counterclockwise circular interpolation, linear feed, tool offset. So answer is clockwise circular interpolation. For clockwise cutting, for clockwise tool path, we use this G02. Okay. Next question is CNC lathe controls X and Y axis, X and Z axis, Z and A axis, X only. So here answer is X and Z axis. These are the two axes which are controlled by the CNC lathe. In CNC lathe basically one is your this Z axis, other is tool moves in which axis? This is your X axis and this is your Z axis. This is your job, say like this. So this is your Z axis. So X and Z. Okay. Next question is CNC machine operates using which type of motor? DC motor, servo motor, stepper motor, both B and C. So here answer is both B and C. That means stepper motor is also used in CNC machines and servo motor also. So servo motor have feedbacks, stepper motor don't have feedback system. So this is the only difference, but these two type of motors are used. Okay. Next question is question number 10. CAM stands for computer aided manufacturing. Now, computer aided manufacturing, computer assembly machine, computer assisted milling. So here answer is computer aided manufacturing, second option. Okay, B. B is the answer. Okay. So next question is tool wear compensation uses tool wear compensation. Compensation is only G41 and G42 used for compensation. G20 is it for inches, it is for tool change, and S is for RPM, etc. So B is the answer here. Next question is M08 indicates. M08 is coolant on. What it is? It is coolant on. Other option is coolant off. Then program stop, end of the program. Nothing. It's only coolant on. Okay. Question number 13. G20 is used for G20 inch input, metric input, circular path, return home. It is only inch input. G20 is inch input only. So this is the answer. Okay. In CNC milling, Z-axis controls left-right movement, forward-backward movement, up-down movement, tool rotation. So answer is up-down. Z-axis is up-down movement. So basically vertical axis is Z-axis like this. This is say your Z-axis. So it controls up and down movement. Okay. So next is basic language of CNC programming is COBOL, C++, G code, Python. It is G code. With the help of G codes only we make the programs. Okay. Next is M06 stands for tool on, tool change, machine off, feed hold. M06 is for tool change. So B is the answer. This is for tool change. Okay. Feed rate is specified with the letter. Letter for feed rate. Feed rate for letter for feed rate is F only. F is the answer. It is not S. S for speed, T for tool, R for radius. So F is for feed rate only. Okay. G90 stands for G90. G90 absolute mode, incremental mode, reverse mode, coolant mode. It is absolute mode. G90 is absolute mode only. This is the answer. Okay. So next question is G91 stands for coolant on, spindle on, incremental mode, circular interpolation. So G91 is incremental mode, C. Whereas G90 it was absolute mode and G91 is incremental mode. Okay. Next question is CNC backless means tool wear, mechanical play, tool speed, cutting feed. It is not tool wear. Backless is not tool speed. It is not cutting feed. So it is only mechanical play. So this is the answer. Okay. Next is G28 command indicates G28 home position, home return, machine stop, tool change or spindle on. So answer is home return. A is the answer, home return. Okay. Next question is G43. Sorry, G40 cancels. What it cancels? This command G40: tool wear, cutter compensation, coolant or feed override. So answer is it cancels cutter compensation. B. This is the answer. Cutter compensation is cancelled by B. What is cutter compensation? Either left or right. Either G41 or G42. So it is cancelled by G40. Okay. Next question is spindle speed in CNC is controlled by. Spindle speed. Spindle speed is controlled by S only, because F is for feed and G is for G codes, M is for M codes. So it is controlled by S only. Next question is which software is used to design model before CNC machining? Before CNC machining, we have to design the model on CAD software. Which software? Before CAM, we have go to CAD. So B is the answer, CAD. Because CAE, computer aided engineering, it is PLC. Okay, so not PLC also. So it is only CAD, computer aided design. Okay. 25. Which of the following is a CAD cycle? Which of the following is a CAD cycle? CAD cycle: A, G00, it is not a CAD cycle. B, G01, it is for linear cutting. C, G81, yes. This is a CAD cycle, G81. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is question number 26. Dwell time is given by. Dwell time. Dwell time is given by AP, BF, R or X. It is given by P. P for seconds, few seconds. It is represented by P only. Dwell time. F is for feed, R is for reference plane something, or X for X is also. Okay. So next is device that hold multiple tool in CNC milling is. Multiple tool is held either by tailstock, tool magazine, tool post or spindle. So multiple tools are there in tool magazine. It is for multiple tools. Tool magazine is there. Okay. Next question is in CNC turning, workpiece rotates on the workpiece where it rotates. In turning, workpiece rotates on tool post, chuck, vise or table. It rotates on chuck. Chuck, this is the answer. Okay. Next question is purpose of post processor in CAM is to. What does it? Post processor? It is simulate motion, generate machine specific G codes, set work offset, control coolant. Answer is generate machine specific G codes. So G codes are generated with the help of post processor. Okay. So before simulating, we have to generate machine specific G codes. You generate this G codes, a program, you will get a program on the notepad. Okay. Then next is work offset G54. G54 is used for home return, tool change, first work coordinate system, metric selection. So answer is C, first work coordinate system. G54, because if there are many offsets are there, many works are there, the first coordinate system will be G54. It starts from G54 and ends at G59. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and last is 59. So there are 6 type of offsets. Okay. So I think it's clear to you all the questions. So thank you for watching. See you soon in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.